Struggling to stay organized and manage your time? Let me show you 3 powerful calendar apps that can seriously boost your productivity. First up, Google Calendar. It's simple, free, and syncs across all your devices. You can set reminders, share events, and even connect it with other apps like Zoom or Gmail. It's perfect if you want a reliable all-in-one planner. Second, Microsoft Outlook Calendar. More than just email, Outlook offers a smart calendar with scheduling features, integration with Teams, and a clean interface that works great for both personal and professional use. If you're working in an office or collaborating with a team, this is a game changer. And third, Notion Calendar. This one is for productivity lovers. It combines task management with scheduling, so you can link projects, deadlines, and daily tasks all in one place. It's flexible, customizable, and ideal if you like having full control over your workflow. The best part? All of these apps are free to start and easy to use. Try them out and see which one fits your lifestyle best. With the right calendar app, you'll save time, reduce stress, and stay on top of everything, every single day. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.